Hi friends, Carosario from Simply Options. Firstly, our apologies. It's been a while. We have shared some content. It's mainly due to my personal endeavors. Going forward, it will be regular. Okay, so today's session is going to be a disseminating session on our recent expiry day profits. And also, I have one good announcement to offer. I have started a private limited company instead of trading in personal demat account. So why private limited company? I'll share as a separate video what all its legal advantages and tax advantages. I'll separate as a separate video. So today's session I'm going to show the profits which is made in the my company account. After the full-fledged capital infusement, this was the first expiry where I have traded in the company account. Let's get started. Yeah, so on the screen what I'm sharing the recorded session of the last few minutes of the expiry day. I happen to record only on the last hour, so I'll just walk you through the last few minutes of recorded session. So as you notice, we are sitting with around 2 lakhs profit around 2 p.m. levels on 2nd June 2022. Why are we sitting with 2 lakhs profits? The reason is, let us go to the chart. You can notice the bank nifty opened around 35,500 levels. From the opening point, it has not gone plus or minus 150 points throughout the expiry. I would say it is kind of a calmer expiry compared to the recent volatility. Back then in 2018, many expiries was like this, and it happened to be, it's a replica of those golden days. So since the bank nifty was calmer, the premium got decayed on both the sides, be it call option and put option. The premium got decayed on both the sides. That is why we are sitting with around 2 lakhs profit at this juncture. If you notice the positions, we are poised slightly bullish. The number of puts in the system is more than the number of calls. So from here on, the market has to move little bit higher for us to make more money than the current levels. So what I have done is, I have sold around 35,800 call as a reference trade. Why it is called a reference trade? I am selling one particular call option. If the market comes up, my underlying overall position goes into good profit. However, this gets into some sort of trouble. If the market has not gone up to this level, at least I'll make some money in the sold call option. This is called reference trade. So I have sold some 35,800 reference trade, and thereafter the market is slightly raising, you can see. So does my profits also from 2 lakhs it has gone up a bit higher. So I have decided to sell aggressive reference trade of 35,700 itself. So I'm just bringing down my calls. If the market is achieving this, I'll be definitely in very good profits. So I have sold this reference trade, and finally, as expected, the market has gone up, and we have closed with around 2.5 lakhs, around 315, around that time. We have closed all the positions with 2.5 lakhs overall profits. That's one thing. So if you notice here in this overall 2.5 lakhs, the bulk of the profits came from 35,500 PE. The number of quantities we sold on 35,500 PE is around approximately 100 lots, 2,500 quantities. So one might have a valid question. You are selling such a huge short position of put option. What if the market crashes? The answer is, if I say yes, I am scared of market being crashing, I will make loss, then the fear is the emotion which is controlling me. If I say an answer, no, I am not scared at all, I have 100% conviction the market will go up, I am going to sell huge volume of put option, then, and I am going to make huge sum of money, then greed is an emotion which is controlling me. Both are equally bad for a trader, be it fear or be it greed. What does the fear do? Fear does not make you to hold reasonable quantity of position. It will make you to close the position. Greed, it will make you to unduly hold some huge volume of position. Both will kill the trader in long run. So what is the solution? The best solution is being systematic. If you are a systematic trader and if you predefine your risk, this is going to be my risk, this is going to be my reward. If you are predefining yourself, then you are greatly controlling these two bigger emotions of fear and greed. So even if the market crashes, I will put a stop loss in a system according to my risk appetite. So even if the market crashes, at that particular loss, I will exit all my trade. If I get certain reasonable amount of profits, I will exit my trade. If you are predefining yourself, you have the greater chance of controlling these two emotions. Thereby, you will be a successful trader. The probability of being successful trader is very high if you control these two emotions. So hope you got a broad outline or broad sketch how a systematic trading is helping a trader to hold some position with some good conviction. So all these things we are planning to design it as a course and start a training program wherein we will be teaching how to interpret the backtest data, how to form a system, and how to emotionally control your fear and greed with the system which you are adopting. So these things we are planning to launch a training program soon, probably in the month of first week of July. We would be happier to share more elaborate details soon. Thank you for watching Simply Options. We will again connect with you in one more valuable session. Stay connected. Thank you. Cheers.